Alrighty, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Send this message. Let me send out some messages really quick and we'll dive right in. But we have been on fire. I really don't remember the last time we've lost an SPX trade. Alright, cool. So pretty much we have not lost the SPX trade in I don't know. I know we didn't lose last week. I know we haven't lost this week. So yeah, let's keep this momentum going. Let's keep the hot streak going. I mean, we've been on fire today. And also shout out to some of the community members. People are starting to get some payouts right now from Surge Options. If you want to check out Surge Options, use code Zeus. Get 25% off. There's no point in trading SPX Power Hour with your own capital anymore. You can just use Surge Options. All right, so one of these accounts we already traded today. Yeah, so we took some puts earlier. We took them in the community as well. Um, everybody printed. Everybody should have made money. So let me see, what account are we going to trade on today? This account's down 429. Let's do this one. Do this one. That funded account I still need to work on. Or we could risk some profits for today. I thought I traded this account. Today's the 21st, right? Yeah, I traded this account today. I don't know how it says P&L hasn't updated. All right, we're gonna trade this account. We got some money to risk. All right, so pretty much looking at this hourly, if you look at the left-hand side of the chart, that is the hourly candle. If you look at the right-hand side of the chart, that is the 5 minute. If you look at the top, that's the 15 seconds. This is what I use. This is all I use. So pretty much right now, hourly is bullish. I'm pretty sure we're bullish on a day as well. Yeah, we're bullish on a day. So yeah, just want to wait for a pullback, I guess. Just gotta sit here and be patient. In the meantime, we'll go look at some common stocks. So we killed it on ARM. ARM well over 200% gain. Meta killed it on Meta as well. We're probably gonna get that gap fill completion today. Killed it on HC. Pretty much everything I called on the watch list hit. Everything. This thing is. I mean, if you took it to the downside, it also hit. So yeah, make sure to execute on the watch list trades. I think off of that, shit, we made probably about like two. Let me see. I think we made 1,200 on this Surge account minus 4. So what are we at? 800. 800 and 800 plus 1,700. What is that? What is that? What is that? I'm normally pretty good with math. 36, 37, 3,700 today on just the prop firm accounts, and then live account we did. Honestly, I think we made less money in the live account. Well, no, we didn't because HD swings. HD swings were up about like 42, 42 on HD, and then Meta as well. We made about 20. Well, I still have about $700 position open on Meta. But yeah, we made about 2,300 on Meta as well. So really, really great day. Really great day. So let's keep that momentum going. All right. Right now, SPX kind of doing nothing. I personally wouldn't touch this. And also, we will be dropping a trade recap. I already recorded the trade recap for the SPX puts that we took earlier. So be on the lookout for that. It's more so like a live trade recap, which I think is better because talking about the market when it's not moving, it's not very beneficial. So I would highly suggest you look out for that video after market. It's currently getting edited right now, but stay tuned for that. And also record your trades. Record your trades. It's a lot better to actually see price action in real time as opposed to looking back at a bar replay. I feel like it's kind of pointless, and I also feel like people don't really learn that way. And you can't really see like or understand the emotions that come with trading and managing your emotions. So stay tuned for that. That should be a very good trade recap here coming out shortly. Um, but yeah, right now we pretty much had a nice pump for the past hour. What did we move? Holy shit. We moved up almost like 100 points on ES. That's a lot. Like, we're talking about ES here. So if ES moved up 100 points, I can only imagine what NQ did. Let's go see. Yeah, up 400 fucking points. Wow. Wow. And that's what I say, people. If whoa, what was that? What was that noise? But yeah, if you like had a bad day yesterday, the next day is always going to be easier. Always. Jack, I don't want to buy your service. Stop calling me. Hey Jack, boss man, I'm not interested right now. I'm a little bit busy. Thank you.
Yeah, this is I just wanted to call because the last time we spoke you were waiting on some tests to go through or
Yeah, I passed all my series exams. But right now I am a little bit busy. If you could give me a call back after market, probably around like 4:30, 5 o'clock, and we'll go from there.
Okay. Yeah, I'll call you around 5
Yes,
o'clock.
sir. Thank you, Jack. Talk to
Thanks.
you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Holy shit, these salespeople. That's what happens when you put in your information. It's like it's a good product, don't get me wrong, but bro, stop calling my phone 24/7. Alright. NASDAQ. Slight pullback. If you want, you could scalp some puts. You could scalp some puts here. You could scalp some puts. I'm down. And you scalp these on SPX though. Not trading QQQ. It's just not worth it. Let's see. Can we trade NDX yet on Surge? Let's see. Let's see. NDX. Oh, boys. Uh-oh. We can trade NDX. We can trade NDX. Wow. All right, we can trade NDX. All right, cool. All right, let's go. Let's go trade some NDX. All right. Oh no, no, no! They're running without me. No, no, no. Okay, these contracts just do not look right. What is going on? What's in the money and what's not? Okay. Unable to quote for contract. Did it just fill me on like the shittiest fill possible? I think it did. I think it did. Wow. All right, let's buy some more. Let's buy some more. Let's buy some more. Let's buy some more. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's not good. We need to see price keep dumping, but we're high key potentially gonna hit a reversal here. And this is the beautiful thing about being on a prop firm. I've traded NDX probably like 3 times in my life. Um, it's worked out one time because it was like clear as day that we're gonna have a very bad reversal. It was probably one day like NQ. I think it like dropped literally like 1,000 points. Um, see what is going on with these contracts? What's going on? Yeah, I'm probably gonna get stopped out here, or I have to close these at least. So it's looking. It's not looking too hot. It's not looking too hot, ladies and gentlemen. It's not looking too hot. All right, let me go back to what I'm used to. Oh, I'm looking at ES Trading NDX. What am I doing? Holy. All right, cool. Back to NDX. All right. All right, so ES looks like it could potentially reverse here. NDX looks like it wants a lot lower, but we'll see. NDX definitely looks like it wants lower. These could easily come back, if anything. When in doubt, you add to your position. If you add to your position, it's no longer a losing position. It could be potentially a break-even position. Now, this could actually potentially blow my account. I'm not gonna cap. The worst case scenario, we'll buy another one. Use code Zeus. I've passed you guys already thousands of these surge options accounts, so it's no biggie, no biggie. But if this works out, it could be a crazy day. It could be a crazy day. It's a guaranteed $1,500 payout. I know we got someone in the community that got a $1,500 payout coming here pretty soon. Mr. Bubba Kush or Bubba something, Bubba Ganush. I don't know how to say that. But the spreads are so ass on NDX. That's the only reason why we're down. Like if the spreads weren't terrible on NDX, we would easily be up. And if we took SPX, we would easily be up. But you guys just saw us down $1,000. So if we could go down $1,000, we could also go up $1,000. There we go. We just need another big candle. Let's go. No, you're going the wrong way, NQ. You're going the wrong direction. I literally just need another push down. One more push down, and this is easily $1,000 trade. Easily. One more push down. At this point, if we go back to break even, fuck it. Might as well add. All right. I guess we won't get a chance to add. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. All right. We'll get a chance to add. We should push down here again here in a second. All right. All right. Keep going. Keep going against me. Perfectly fine. Not pressed by it. Not pressed by it at all. We'll buy 3 more contracts. We just bought 3 more contracts. Yo, NDX is a different type of monster. This is crazy. But I'm liking it. Like, I love volatility. If you want more confidence in your trading, only trade volatile tickers. That's the easiest way to learn confidence. And the main reason why is because the market's going to go so far against you. You might be down 60%. Yet, it's like one candle goes your direction. You're back green as you're watching right now. All we have to do is literally break below the last 5-minute candle, and we are green on these puts. So that's why you have to have a lot of confidence to trade volatile tickers, because you're gonna see a lot of swings. You're gonna see yourself up $1,000, down $3,000, back up $2,000, up $5,000, come back to break even. Yeah, you gotta be able to sit to that and understand that hey, if your take profit hasn't hit and your stop loss hasn't hit, then why are you bitching? Hold the damn trade. All right, we got this push. Let's go. Let's go. I'm not looking to be greedy whatsoever, but I got to make sure we have to get an exit above 4. We do have to exit above 4 because the spreads on NDX are pretty wide. That's the only reason why we're down. And I probably should have taken something a little closer to end the money, but it's fine. Come back to life. Come on. Like, I just want to take this down to 509. Push down to 509 is what I'm looking for. So about 30 more points here. And if you don't trade options, you only trade futures, well then just take the same thing on futures. Same exact thing. You guys know the game plan. You know what I'm looking for. You know my PT. So if you don't trade options, trade it on futures. It's fine. If you don't trade futures, trade it on Forex. The beautiful thing about trading NQ, it's an option for everybody. The NQ on Forex is NAS 100. NQ on options is NDX or QQQ. Or, yeah, or futures. Just got NQ, NQH. Good thing we're learning to trade NDX on the options prop firm account and not a real account. Because I could definitely see how, despite us entering literally up like 60 points from where we currently are, we're still down. We are still down. And buying one strike out of the money on NDX is not worth it. Those contracts are literally worth like $4,000 for one contract. All right, come on, you can do it. You just give me 509. That's all I'm asking for. 509. 20 more points down. 509. At this point, I might just have to put an automatic TP in. Alrighty. Yeah, we should have just traded SPX. If we traded SPX, we would be easily up like 200% right now, based on the time in which we got in. Um, based on the time we got in, does it tell me? Why does it not tell me? Yeah, I gotta get the hell out of these. Like if we go close to break even, I gotta get out. Just based on that 5-minute open right here. The fact that it is trying to create a volume imbalance is not a good look. Like I will literally get out at break even if it lets me. If it lets me. We'll see. Set a take profit for 2%. And I wish I could set a take profit on only like half of these. I don't even want to close the whole thing. Kind of just want to de-risk. Not really a fan of this price action. We literally need to see one big push down to 509. A big push down to 509.
In the DFDV.
What the hell is this? What are you talking about? DFD. We need to see a displacement candle pretty soon. That's the main reason why these contracts are down. There's no displacement. These candles need to be pushing aggressive, very aggressive to the downside. And the fact is that we're not getting that is why we're still down $1,000. Come on, NQ. You could do it. Like the whole slow and steady down, that's why we're getting cooked. If it could just give us a massive down close candle, that would be nice. Come on. You could do it. Crazy. We're about to hit TP and still be down. Yeah, NDX is a different breed. It's those spreads. Those spreads are so damn wide. Oh, this is retarded. Literally. Hey, is it gonna close me out? I want to get the hell out. I don't like these no more. I want to get out. I want to get out. Let me close. Let me close. What do you mean fail to close? Close. Hello? Remove. Cancel. Remove. Remove. I want to close. I want to close. I want to get out. I literally want to get out. Like, I really want to. Oh, it closed me. Okay. Cool. We'll take that. We'll take that. We'll take that. We'll take that. All right. Another good day. Like I said, we don't lose on SPX Power Hour. Like, I don't remember the last time I've lost a trade when it comes to Power Hour. But I still regret being an NDX because if we took SPX, would have been a way better trade. Way, way better trade. This is insane. Let me go create some content. Let me go write this tweet real quick. I'm gonna get back in my social media bag here. That's why I'm posting a lot more content for you guys. If you're new here, make sure to drop a sub, subscribe. Video coming out later today. I'm gonna try to be more consistent with uploads for you guys. I'm gonna try my best. I'm not making any promises. I'm gonna try my best. Only thing I can make some promises towards is you'll see me on live. We're going live every day. We're going live 2 times a day. Not many people doing that. So in the morning, we trade out the gate. Pretty much a lot of the tickers off of our watch list. So like HD, posted this on Twitter yesterday. Killer trade, Meta, seen it come off the 618. This was something I was kind of just been waiting on. We took longs on those. ARM off the watch list, but also we got an ARM yesterday, and that was a killer trade. That was a really good trade. Cat, I am watching Cat. I'm watching Cat. Cat was also on the watch list. I think a couple of days ago. I don't think Cat was on the watch list yesterday. Yeah, no. Cat was on the watch list a couple of days ago. But look what happened, right? Put trigger, straight down, straight to sell side. Yeah, so as you can see now, the watch list, you're going to make money. At least one of the tickers is going to make you money. Now, it's your job to find out which ticker. And if you don't want to find out which ticker, then join the community, because that's where we call them out. Because I know some people are very lazy. Sad, but I know it's true. So if you're lazy, join ZeusTrades.com. ZEUSTRADES. Or no, EZ, not ES. Somebody stole that URL. Like the moment I changed my Twitter name, somebody bought ZeusTrades.com with the S. It's actually weird. So yeah, if somebody tries to scam you guys with ZeusTrades with the S.com, not my website, yeah, it's not me. It's not me. my website is ZeusTrades.com. That's me, right? Now if you go to ZeusTrades.com, that is not me. I don't know who this is. I don't know who stole this name. Do not get scammed. That is not me. I am Zeus Trades with the Z, not a S. My Twitter is Zeus Trades with the Z, with the S, but that's it. So yeah, make sure to sign up right now. Running a major deal. I think $50. Somebody else just joined 12 minutes ago. So yeah, $50 right now, or you can pay $199. It's your call, your decision. But yeah, we pretty much do this every single day, every day. Let me get this tweet out. But yeah, hopefully everybody made some money today. Today was a very, very, very easy trading day. Very easy. Very easy. What are we on? What's today? Wednesday? We're on like a 10-day winning streak on the SPX. Maybe I maybe I teach you guys how I trade SPX. I know you guys watch. I don't know if I'm explaining. I guess you guys could let me know in chat if I'm explaining what I do to trade SPX. And I know it looks so effortlessly. I'm aware of that. But I've also been doing this for 6 years now. We're coming on 7 years. July will be 7 years trading. That's actually crazy. 7 years. 7 years trading in July. We've come a long way. And that's another reason why it looks so effortlessly. Give me 1 second. All right, cool. Sent that out. All right. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Currently getting that reversal right now. Honestly, this is at that level that I kind of want to see a retest to potentially look for longs. Let me go take a look at ES. We might get a chance to take some longs here. Maybe, possibly. We will see. And if we don't take a long on ES, I definitely want to go long on some common stocks. Common stocks are definitely going to continuously run. I feel like we had a good enough pullback. I've been marking out HD for this 180 or 380 level break for the longest. We finally broke it, so we should run. I could easily see this at 390, honestly, by Friday. Excuse me. Yeah, likely to see HD at 390 by Friday. We have next week calls, but and we have some weekly calls as well. Vigo starting to recover. I got an alert set for when to close the last runner on those. It's a hell of a trade. Circle, circle, circle. I am kind of watching circle actually. It's just hard to trade this like to the upside. Like as bad as you want to trade it to the upside. Yeah, we're about to be back at IPO open. Like real soon. Real soon. There's no point in having that up there anymore. Let's go check this out. Where are we respecting? Boom. Boom, boom. Ah, shit. If you know my A plus setup, I got a strategy on YouTube somewhere and on Twitter actually. And then it goes more in depth in the trading course. But this is like my favorite setup. Pull back to the 618 or 786. Trend line breakout. See you later. Very simple and easy strategy. The only thing is with this strategy is it doesn't present itself often. Like this is a strategy that you're going to be able to take a trade at least once a month, but at least once a month you know you can put in at least $10,000 into a trade and pretty much know you're going to make money. That's this setup here. This setup has led to some of my largest gains. All right, so we're currently sitting at it. Kind of tempting. We just don't have confirmation yet, but it is really tempting to start a long now. We'll probably get confirmation tomorrow. However, we could easily gap up tomorrow. It's kind of what it's looking like. I don't know. We'll flip a coin. Heads we jump in early, tails we don't. All right, tails we don't. All right, we'll wait till tomorrow. Cool. All right, let's see what we can do here. See if we can scalp something else. Probably take some SPX puts here. All right, SPX. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Puts. Literally looking for a scalp, by the way. Like, I ain't looking for much. Not looking for much. Actually, we'll take a contract from $3 to $5. Well, they're already going for $4. And they're right now. The market's going up. How is price? How are those worth $5? Market's going up. All right, I'm gonna go pull out Thinkorswim because They should not be worth $5 right now. That makes no sense. Yo, HD is printing. HD, let's fucking go. What is SPX 6880s? Oh, I guess they are right. Interesting. Now they're in the money. I don't want to buy those. They're already in the money. Let's see if we get a sniper entry. Might be able to get the sniper entry here. Not a sniper entry, but I'll take it. I will take it. I will take it. I will take it. Stop loss would be a body close above 914. Ideal take profit would be back down to this 905 and down to 908. The way it's setting up looks like it wants to wait for a new candle open. Oh, a new 5-minute candle, 11 seconds. Come on, what do you want to do? Want to flip back bearish? Push it down? Come on. Do it. Do it. Do it. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, this is TP1, but I want more than damn 20 bucks. Oh, walking stops down. Walking stops. Walking stops. Stops will be like a hard stop loss at $1. And we'll just jump back in, to be honest. Like if we don't just push straight down to 906. You see a 4-point drop here? Yeah, I should have took something closer to end of money. Oh, excuse me. All right, that was a good close. It's a decent close. Everybody get stopped out. And I still think this is gonna work out. I just picked the wrong contracts. We should have picked one contract closer to in the money. Um, let's see. SPX. Puts. Puts. Yeah, it should have been a 75s, not the 70s. That's my fault. Kind of see this popping up real quick and then dumping back down. I'll close them. We'll just get in another position here. We're closing those. 350 algo comes out here in a minute. And the algo came in. What are we doing? And let's go. Hell of a trade. Hell of a. I can't miss when it comes to SPX. This shit is actually crazy. Ah, believe in yourself, ladies and gentlemen. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Wow. So I closed those, jumped in on some better contracts, and we were able to scalp those to make about 250 bucks in a second. Literally. Wow. 250 bucks in literally 1 minute. And that's why I trade SPX. That is why I trade SPX. That is why. It's so easy to make money on SPX. All you need is SPX. I might change my community name to SPX only. Ah, good day, good day, good day, good day, good day. Oh, whoa. Where's OBS? Where's OBS at? Where are we at, OBS? Behind the scenes. Um, made 150. NDX, I was down like 450 to start. Yeah, we just took one for, well, I'm looking at very old messages. The website is ZeusTrades.com. ZeusTradez. Z.com. Like I'm letting you know now, the person that probably stole fucking Zeus Trades with the S, excuse my profanity, he's probably in here. He's probably watching me. He's probably gonna clone my website. Don't be surprised. But this one's my website. And this one's me. Anything else? It's not me. It's not me at all. But yes, ZeusTrades.com. That is a place to sign up. Get all of the alerts real time when I'm not live trading. Like a good example, we took a killer SPX trade midday. Actually, somebody got funded off of that, or not funded. Somebody got a payout off of that. Forget being funded. Being funded is cool and all, but getting a payout is what matters. and we're helping people get payouts. That's what matters. Not one of those traders that are gonna say, "Oh, $1 trillion in funding." No, I don't believe in that stupidness. It's like, are you getting payouts or not? Because if you're not getting payouts, nobody cares about your funding. Nobody cares that you got funded. The whole goal is to get payouts, and that's what we do here. We get payouts. That's what you could do here. Get payouts as well. And pretty soon we are going to be, once copy trading feature gets fixed, we will be just copy trading, and you can copy trade as many accounts as you want. That's a beautiful thing. So if you want to 50 accounts, get 50 accounts. You can just copy trade them all. Or get 10 accounts, right? 10 accounts every 7 days. That's a 15K payout. And all you gotta do is come to the stream, to be honest. Come to the stream, follow our trades, and you're good. Oh, we could scout some SPX calls here. We definitely could. Definitely could. Um, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? Is it worth it? Is it worth it? Probably not gonna touch it. But this is about to push a little higher here and probably tap into this fair value gap. And literally, 2-point move. If this moves from where we are now and taps into this fair value gap at 913, a 3-point move now, literally, you will make a 50% gain on SPX. That's why I love this. It doesn't take much to make much. Nonetheless, hell of a day. Hell of a day, hell of a day, hell of a day. Does anybody have any questions? Any questions whatsoever? And as well, more information about the boot camp will be out soon. Soon. All right. Let me send out this Calendly link. I think we're pretty much done for the day. Nonetheless, really good day. Ritual. I'm gonna say your name is Ritual. Yes. Surge options. Sign up for Surge options. Use code Zeus, and you get 25% off. Surgeoptions.com. Code Zeus. And then as well, when you sign up with at ZeusTrades.com, you also get a free discovery call where I pretty much help you get everything set up. Whether it's your options account, your futures account, help you get squared away, make sure your charts look right, you have the right software needed. So yeah, you get a free discovery call as well. So please take advantage of that because I don't know how long that's gonna last, but it's gonna end pretty soon. All right, so Circle's not getting this breakout just yet. We are just having this pullback again, so I'm not going to touch that. Yeah, we're calling it a day. It's nothing to do, nothing to do. Overall, great day. Very ugly trade with NDX, but I mean, we have to learn somehow, and I have no problem being the guinea pig. It's kind of just my character. I had to learn the hard way to learn how to trade. Literally learn from trial and error. So yeah, we're learning NDX also from trial and error. I'll lead us to the promised land. I got us. So next time we trade NDX, we just gotta take something closer to in the money because we literally got in like on the chart. Like we got in all the way up here and took this 100 points down and was still negative majority of the way, which just makes no sense. So basically we just picked the option contracts too far out the money. So next time we trade NDX, we just gotta pick a little closer to in the money and we are good. Code Zeus. Code Zeus. 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 Now, if you're talking about ZeusTrades.com, no code is required. No code's required for ZeusTrades.com. But overall, great day, everybody. If you made some money, please post in gains. Greatly appreciated. Actually, I know you guys made some money, so please post in gains. Takes 2 seconds. If you need to learn how to screenshot, you hit your damn power button, you hit your volume button on your phone, and that's how you screenshot. I've had some elderly people in my community that literally doesn't know how to screenshot, so that's how you screenshot. You hold your power button that locks your phone, you hold the up volume, you hit screenshot, you post it in gains. That's greatly appreciated. And on that note, I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. Please review. I'm actually posting some trade reviews later today on YouTube, so if you're not subscribed, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Take care, everybody.